Good morning everybody and welcome to the video. We are running up the stairs right now to try to get on the train. Today we're going to be heading to Shinjuku. Shinjuku is one of the different wards of Tokyo. There's lots of business down in that area, and it's a big entertainment area as well for shopping and stuff like that. Shinjuku Station is also the busiest rail station in the world, with over 2 million people going through there each day. So it's going to be a bit crazy trying to video down in that area.
And there's the train tracks.
There's the train tracks. Waiting on our train now. Done with trains for right now. We are in Shinjuku. This is not the main part of Shinjuku. We did cross through there and transferred lines at the main station, and that was absolutely insane. But this station's almost just as busy, and now we're going to walk around this area and check out the Pokemon store for Mason and see what else we can get into. Cafe. I've heard of cat cafes. That's the first I've seen a rabbit cafe. Pretty sweet Toyota Hiace with the Watanabes on it. Pokemon! We're here for Mason. What does Mason want? This one.
No, I want a new Pikachu.
Look at that big old Pikachu.
That one's on a train.
That one's on an airplane.
Lego Pokemon. It's pretty cool.
And there's the little one, Pikachu.
Pikachu. Is that Charmander, Squirtle, and Bulbasaur? I think I got those right. It's been a while since I've been in any Pokemon stuff, really. There's lots of Pikachus.
Look at this one's on a train. What?
This Pikachu is a slipper? Not exactly sure. Pretty good sized Pikachu for about $45.
I'm gonna dive into this.
I like the Squirtle. These smaller ones are about $15 US. What you got there? It's kind of big, don't you think? It's about as big as you.
I want this one.
You want that one out?
Okay, pick one and that's it. Buy the one.
Backpacks, purses, bags, hats. Old Ninetales. I do remember him. Just packed wall to wall with Pokemon stuff. Pokemon cookies. Chocolate chip Pokemon cookies. More Pikachu slippers. Mason has changed his mind a million times already and put stuff back. But right now, I think he's gonna go with that.
Or we can do this with Pikachu.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep. Decisions have been made. Big Pikachu and little Pikachu. Show them little Pikachu. All finished up at the Pokemon store. Mason's got his little Pokemon with him. Big one in the bag. Now we're gonna head over to Ichiran Ramen. It's the same ramen place we ate at in Shibuya whenever we were here for Tokyo Auto Salon in January. Ichiran. Let's go inside and have some delicious ramen. Ichiran is another vending machine style restaurant where you put the money in and then pick what you want from the machine, and it spits out tickets down here. And then you have to fill out an order sheet as well. And we'll give these to the people when we get to our seats. I wish we had Ichiran in Okinawa, but we do not. Went ahead and brought the egg out for the ramen, and you get the cup water dispenser right there. Big delicious bowl of ramen. I love the thin noodle ramen. In Okinawa it's not usually this thin. There's a few places you can order and get it that thin, but not most places. That's one way to eat ramen, I guess. Finished up the first bit of ramen and got a noodle refill. Whew, that almost splashed everywhere. What are you doing?
Today, we're done with the Pokemon store.
It's still the same video, so you don't have to introduce yourself.
And we raced to the ramen store.
We did. We went to the Pokemon store, raced to the ramen store, and ate a ton of ramen. And now we're heading back to the train station to
the house.
Not to the house yet. We're gonna go to the other part of Shinjuku. Look at the building. It's a big hand holding a big cell phone. Quixote. They have those in Okinawa. I spy a Godzilla on top of that building. Megan just got super excited by the Krispy Kreme donuts. We don't have that in Okinawa, and there's only like a couple of them here in mainland. So we're definitely gonna have to hit up that after we get not full from all the ramen we just ate. Not really sure where we're going right now. We're just kind of walking around, checking stuff out. I think later on we're gonna go to this place, the Robot Restaurant. Maybe sometime for dinner tonight, we'll hit that up if we don't stuff our faces at Krispy Kreme. Well, let's go in and take a look at the pet store. Look at the kitty. There's a kitty up top. It's like a $1,200 cat. He looks sad. I cannot believe the prices on these things. I like that kitty. Look at him. He's looking at where you went.
This is a donut place they had in America.
There's quite a few animal cafes in Tokyo, but not many of them let children in. So we did find one. It's kind of near Shibuya. We're gonna head that way now and hopefully get into this cat cafe and check that out. So while looking for a Starbucks to find a place to charge my camera, Somehow last night I forgot to charge my other battery. Well, I didn't forget, but I guess something went wrong and it just didn't charge. So now I'm pretty much running on fumes on the last battery, but while looking for this Starbucks, we actually found Subaru headquarters, I think. Or either just a really huge dealership. We're gonna step inside and check it out on our way to the Cat Cafe. STI. It's another STI. That's awesome. Gotta get the original Subaru blue. Right there, the 2.0 liter 6-speed all-wheel drive. I don't know what that, it's got maybe a little bit more different package on it, but either way, a little over 4 million yen, so that's right around $38,000. Ah, the new car smell.
I like it.
I do like it. The nice Recaro seats. Different seats in this one. I like the seats better in the other one. That might be the higher package because it's got the rear spoiler as well. Some Subaru stuff. I'm not sure if is this an STI fan to keep you cool? If so, it's $100. I think that's what that is. I'm not really sure. Subaru chocolates. Subaru cookies.
What? And some rain and some cars.
Subaru pins. Subaru stickers. Subaru cups. Some trophies. So that was a really cool little random find just walking around Tokyo. The Subaru dealership, or headquarters I guess, here in Ibisu. Really awesome, nice STIs, I would love to have one. And the Subaru cookies were extremely cool as well. But I have to save a little bit of battery because right now we're heading over to the Cat Cafe. Oh man, look what's pulling into the Subaru building right now though. Old Impreza. Boom, Cat Cafe. I think we found it, should be on the 3rd floor.
Cat can smell us.
You ready to go play with some kitties? Some nice kitties. Can I pet you?
Yeah, I'm trying to pet you.
What your kitties looking at? This is pretty cool though, right? All these kitties just sitting around to get pet. Jinxie cat?
Yeah. just make a big whole mess.
Over there, Dada.
You know how cats do the thing where they just like get in front of the camera and block everything? Cat cafe is definitely a very interesting experience. We have the food, we've been given little snacks, and they come swarming for that. Some of the cats seem pretty interested, some are a little disinterested until you bring the food out. Jinxie cat's coming over. You want some food, Jinxie cat? I don't think we really have places like this in the States, or at least I've never heard.
That's his friend. That's his friend.
Mason was right, it's his friend. Probably a $5,000 cat.
More. There's no more. That's great.
The busy streets of Tokyo. We're on the 3rd floor playing with kitties. Shh.
That's crazy.
Spencer picking up a cat.
Just finished up at the cat cafe. I'm on 2% battery on this battery, and the other battery is completely dead. So I'm probably not going to video until we get back to the house and get this thing charged up a little bit.
Then we're going to, what are you going to?
We're going to the house.
We're going to the house.
Cat cafe, a must if you ever come to Japan and love cats. We have made it back to the house. The camera ended up completely dying on the way back. I don't know what the heck happened. I know I charged both batteries. I just need to check again before I leave after I've charged both of them just to make sure everything's fully charged. I might have left the camera on accident after charging the battery, I'm not sure. Shinjuku was really awesome, lots of cool things to do around there. The cat cafe actually in Shinjuku wouldn't allow children, so we went down to Ebisu where we ran into the Subaru global headquarters, which was really cool, and also the cat cafe that does allow children. Definitely if you're in Japan, hit up a cat cafe if you enjoy cats. It's a really weird but cool experience, and Mason loved it. Tomorrow I think is going to be a good day for car videos. I believe what we're going to do is go to the Nismo factory and possibly the Nissan global headquarters. So of course, if we do both of those things, I will have the camera and be videoing everything. Thank you all so much for watching day 3 of our Tokyo trip. We still have about 7 days remaining, so be prepared for many more videos to come. Hopefully tomorrow's a really good, interesting car one. I'm really excited to check out both of those places. I will see you guys very soon in the next video. As always, thanks for watching.